Hey there! Today we're diving into an intriguing problem that many C++ developers might encounter. The problem revolves around the possibility of iterating over a constexpr array, std, array, or vector and executing constexpr operations on each element, all at compile time. Quite the task, don't you think? Now, let's jump right into the solution for this challenge. One elegant approach involves using std, index_sequence in conjunction with C++ 20 templated lambdas. The key here is to create a lambda that asserts the desired condition for each element in the array. By leveraging std, make_index_sequence, and the templated lambda function, we can achieve our goal efficiently. The inner lambda is essential as static-assert can only be used as a statement, not an expression. To wrap things up, utilizing std, index_sequence and templated lambdas allows us to iterate over our array, execute constexpr operations on each element, and ensure everything is done at compile time. Just remember, this solution may hit translation limits for the maximal number of template parameters or instantiations, especially with large arrays. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. See you next time.